Okay, people, beer number 4 from this month's beer crate, and it's Hop Dog Beer Works, and this is a rye IPA called Horns Up. It's got making some pretty big claims on the label. Awesome IPA you've got your hands on. Hop Dog's core range Horns Up is brewed with 25% rye in the malty grist, an obnoxious blend of American and Australian hops added in 6 different stages during brewing. This builds the hop bitterness, flavour and aroma, giving you an aggressive citrus, tropical fruit and grapefruit characteristics. Rye malt adds dry spiciness. Horns Up doesn't demand anything other than drink and enjoy. 70% IBU and 5.8%. So I'm expecting it to be big, and if that's what you're promising, you better deliver. It's got a good head on it. Nice colour, sort of orangey, ambery. Smells like a good East Coast sort of IPA. Sweetness, citrus. You can smell that little rye undertone. It's got a mouthful of head there. Bitter, dry bitter, so I guess that's where the rye plays a part. It's not, the hops is not as aggressive as you would get in a typical IPA. I don't think. The sweetness is there. Certainly hop forward, gets on the tongue, gets that sort of pepperiness and the hop bitterness that you'd expect. Doesn't really build though. You know, usually in a big strong IPA or a double IPA you get that sort of hoppiness that sort of grows on you with every mouthful. I'm not getting that. It's just it's hop forward, it gets on the end of your tongue, there's a bitterness but it dissipates quickly. Yeah, it's nice, there's no question about that, it's a nice beer. I don't know that the 70 IBU doesn't really feel like that. I'd say maybe 40 or 50. I wouldn't call it aggressive, it's a hop forward beer. And it's got that sort of that IPA flavour which you get bang straight on the top of your tongue to begin with, but it doesn't hang around long, so it, you know, I don't feel like it's I think they're sort of talking it up a bit in terms of the aggressiveness of the hops. It just seems to me it's nice, it's a good strong hoppy ale. It's obviously they use a rye in the process here, but it's not over the top. It's a good beer, and I'd certainly drink it again, but I think they've talked it up a little bit too much in terms of the aggressiveness of the hops. But you know, looks good, good head, smells good. Tastes good. It's a bit like Barnaby Joyce, really. A lot of talk, and you know, it's not that it doesn't deliver. It does, but you know, it's a lot of noise and not a lot to back it up. Anyway, definitely worth a try. Hop Dog Beer Works. Horns up their rye IPA. Cheers.